Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the image and video stretch feature in Wix Studio. So you'll first begin by logging into your Wix Studio account. Then you'll go to sites on the menu on the left. You'll select your site from here and make sure your site has built on Wix Studio written on it. If not, you can create a new slide. You can start with a blank canvas or you can select from a variety of templates. You'll click on edit. Now we'll wait for our site to load. Now to upload any image or video, we are first going to add a section to this site. We'll simply select any cell and click on add section. Now we'll select add an element over here and then click on image. We can change the image by clicking on change image on the top of the image. You can upload your own image also. We'll click on update. Now after selecting the image, you can stretch it by just simply clicking on this icon over here. Now you can do the same with the video. You'll just add a section, then click on add an element. Then you'll scroll down until you find the option of adding a video. We can change the video by clicking on change video. We'll select any random video from here and click on update. Now we'll click on these three dots over here and select stretch. And that's how you stretch any image or video in Wix Studio. It's a super simple way to make your site look modern and fully responsive. Thanks for watching.